friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how I have packaged everything for the winner for this month's drawing on Stars and Stripes, and we're gonna go ahead and choose a winner. So I hope that whoever receives this likes what I have put in there. So first things first, okay, I made the cap, and several people have asked me if this is a die or from an SVG. It is from a die set that I got at Temu, and so I'll go ahead and leave you with my Temu affiliate link in the description area of this video if you're interested in getting this right here. And I do gotta say, the fit is perfect. However, it is a heck of a lot of work. So if you have the patience, I 100% recommend this die. As you can see, it is not minute. It is a nice size die, and it makes for some really great snail mail packaging or happy mail or swaps or whatever. And so anyways, let me show you once again what this looks like. It is so cute, and as I said in my last video, I dressed it up with some stickers from Hobby Lobby and some ribbon too from there. This is what the back looks like. Now this stays together because I went ahead and I used this double-sided temporary dots so that everything just doesn't fall apart on you when you pick up your prize. And so you'll find that there's one dot here at the very front and another dot at the very back, just those two dots, and I think maybe one on the side. I don't remember now. So anyways, you're gonna get in here. I went ahead and added several of my die cut pieces from past paper collections. I hope that you like them. And so I just, grabbed a bunch and I stuck them in there. And I do have a couple of tiny little die cuts, actual, that you pass through the machine and everything, die cuts, but it is using my paper collections, one of my paper collections, so I hope that you like that. Okay, so that's this one, and I believe I showed this tiny little bag that I made from one of my Temu dies. So over here I went ahead and added some flat back pearls in pastel, and I think that you will like it. And once again, I used this double-sided temporary tape to go ahead and close this up. And you also get, I just love ordering these from Temu because, gosh, it's like you get, what they say, a dime a dozen, but that's just a figure of speech. But I have found that they have the best prices for these if you're into making, little things with pens and whatnot, altering stuff. And so that's what the back looks like. That's for you. And this I made using my paper collection, Stars and Stripes, and I went ahead and added a ribbon and a flat back purple strawberry. And you're also going to get this pen that I made for you. I made it this afternoon, and I wanted to do, stay with the whole Stars and Stripes theme. So I did the red, white, and blue. And I ordered this specific pom-pom just for you, for my winner. So I was waiting on the pom-poms, and I got it yesterday. So I worked on it today. And this is what this looks like. And so another item that you're winning is over here. Once again, it has a little piece of this. Okay, so when you open it, you can always unstick these without tearing the paper because they're temporary pieces. I hope you like what's in here. It's something that I bought a long time ago and I just never used, and I don't think I'll be using it. So, and trust me, you're not going to hurt my feelings if you decide to give it away to somebody else, okay? Now, in the card, and I love how this came out. Okay, in the card, I went ahead and placed my Memory Decks card. All right, it's more like a roulette my memory decks card, and I went ahead and added just some trims. Okay, some trims for you. I went ahead and die cut these pieces for you, and I added the papers from Stars and Stripes on it. And speaking of which, the winner also is going to receive their very own copy paper pack of Stars and Stripes. So yeah, you're going to get all this. Now, remember how I said for you to be a winner, you had to be a visible subscriber and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and check out the winner, and good luck to everybody. And yeah, winner, please contact me at my email address, and I will be placing right along there, and let me know that you're the winner of my giveaway. Tomorrow I will be going in for yet another spine procedure. I've been in a lot of pain lately, and so tomorrow they're going to put me to sleep, and they're going to insert 2 shots in my lumbar region that are going to go straight to my nerves. I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of the week off, and so yeah, I'll see you once again real soon. Bye, guys.